Guys, look how nice it looks. Hey guys, Excessive 2 here today, and today we are gonna detail my car. But first we need to wash it, and I'm gonna show you some great tips on how to detail your car, what not to do, what to do, and yep, that's what we're gonna do today. We're just out here enjoying life. Look how dirty she is. But it's such a nice view. Yep, that's what we're gonna do today, and see you there. Hey guys, so right now we are going to be detailing my Veloster, and what I'm going to be detailing with is the Adams polishes. It's a really good detail for a quick detail for any show and any meet or show, and this is mostly just a quick detail, nothing too serious. So yeah, let's begin. So before detailing, I'm going to have to wash my car, and I am going to use a foam gun. That's one of the things that I do recommend doing, is getting a foam gun. It's just more convenient instead of just putting like a bucket down and putting soap in it. See, if you just have to pump it up and then it shoots out, you just keep pumping it up. And I think it's really convenient. That's something that I would recommend. So yeah, just like I said again, it's just a quick detail. It's nothing too serious. It's not like going to pay like $300, $500 for a really high class detail. This is just before like a meet or a show, or just to take pictures. So yeah, we're just gonna start by hosing it down. Now we can use the foam gun. Yeah, you have to just keep pumping it up. Now we're just going to start by scrimming it off. Alright guys, so now it's time to hose down the car. So I don't know why, but for some reason, my back end is the worst at getting dirty. I don't know why it gets so dirty easily, but the whole thing is dirty like after a day of cleaning it. So now for drying it off, you want to have it as dry as possible so that when you're detailing, nothing contaminated gets into the detailer. And yeah, so now we're just gonna dry it off. Guys, a good thing to do is clean the inside of your door because it gets pretty dirty. That's something I like doing, those small things that make a difference. So I'm done drying it off. Now I'm going to start detailing. And something to do before detailing is you want to think about where to start. Especially, like, remember, is don't spray like the whole area. You don't want to do that and then just detail the whole thing. You never want to do that while detailing. You always want to spray a small area and then wipe it down. And you want to go in like a circular motion for quick detailing. And you also don't want to spray it on there and then leave it on there for a while because it'll eventually stick to the paint and you don't want that. As bad for your paint. I definitely recommend using Adam's polish for the detail spray, but another good one is the Chemical Guys one. They're both kind of really good brands. So one of my favorite things about detailing a car is that the detail spray smells really good. That's the best. And to finish it off, I am gonna put tire shine on my tires, and that's probably one of the best things you want to do. Is the tires really pop when there's tire shine on it, so yeah. So usually you'd want to spray the tire shine before you put the detailer on, just because it'll spray on the car. But right now I forgot to do that, so. Guys, I really don't feel myself when, this may sound stupid, but I don't feel myself when my car is dirty, so I tend to clean it a lot. And I wouldn't say it's a bad habit. I think it's a good thing to clean your car all the time, because then all the dirt will eventually catch up to your paint. Guys, look how clean it is after the detail. it made a huge difference. So much shinier, way better than it was before. And look how the tire shine is shining. I don't know if you can see it that well. It is shining. But yeah, look how clean the car is. But yeah, I like to do this. I don't know, every like month or so, detail it, make it look better. Something else that I do recommend that I've used in the past is the Fortify Quick Coat. It's not a detailer, but it is a like a ceramic coating, but it's not like one of those like professional ones where you just professionally coat it. You just use a microfiber towel, same thing as the detailer. So that's something that you don't want to mix with the detailer because they don't mix very well. You don't want to do that. If you're ceramic coating every month or every like 3 months. It says it's like it works every 6 months, and then if you just rinse it off, water will dry off, or water will like roll off. But yeah, and if you guys do not believe me on me cleaning my car all the time, look at all my cleaning products, all my towels. I even got a vacuum back here. I'm really organized with all of my products. And look at the excessive lifestyles hood prop that I have for car shows. When it comes to car shows, yeah, this is something that I like to do before car meets, car shows, before I take pictures, make my car look shiny, and it looks way better. Alright guys, so we have a little problem. The BC Racing sticker is peeling off, so we are going to replace it with a new one. And this is very important because it will increase your horsepower if you put a new sticker on. Alright guys, there you go. BC Racing sticker is on, and we have 5 more horsepower. Alright guys, that is it for today's video, and that is how you quick detail your car. It's usually before, like I said before, car meets, car shows, and taking pictures, whatever it is. That is how you do it. I'm so happy, it's so clean. Yeah, so there's not that many like ways of doing it. I just want to show you for like beginners, maybe what not to do, what to do. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I am excessive too, and bye.